If you wanted to have automatic or scheduled do not disturb mode on iPhone 16e, then first of all go to settings. In the settings we need to scroll down to focus. Then here we need to select do not disturb at the top. Scroll down to find add schedule option. Then we can choose to create a schedule based on the time, hour, location, or an app when you open a certain app. We also have smart activation over here, so feel free to use it. I'm gonna set up based on the time. Over here we can choose when the D&D mode should be activated. So let's say I'm gonna choose 8 a.m., maybe 9. And then we're gonna turn it off at 3 p.m. We can also choose days of the week during which the schedule should be working. Then we can press down in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!